All right, Tyson, I'm going to teach you guys today about healthy eating. So, to start it off, let's just ask ourselves, why should the workplace be concerned with healthy eating? Why should healthy eating be something that's important to us? Why should it be something we think about every day? I'm going to give you guys a second to think about that. Okay, so healthy eating can influence a person's long-term health and wellness, and that should be what we strive for. We want to live as long as we can. We want to keep our bodies healthy and able, and we don't want to have to quit working because we aren't healthy enough to. We want to quit working because we want to be able to retire and enjoy the rest of our time here on earth. Healthy eating can also reduce the risk of heart disease as well as some cancers. And who wouldn't want to healthy eat knowing that choosing, an apple or a banana that day instead of a piece of cake or a slice of pizza that could make us live just a little bit longer. Healthy eating can elevate your mood, energy, and self esteem. It can help you just go into work with kind of a brighter personality. It can make you feel better, and when you feel better, you perform better. It can also just reduce anxiety and stress. People have anxiety and stress about what the future is going to look like and are they healthy enough, or when they reach the age of 50 or 60 and they have to start getting all these different screenings and tests. If you start at a younger age just eating healthier, even right now, start tomorrow, you pack a healthier lunch. It's going to reduce a lot of your anxiety and stress about your health in the future.